Hello guys, welcome to my channel FabNJ24TV. So Nigerian music star Davido, popularly known as Davido's first baby mama Sophia Momodu, has become a topic of discussion on social media as Sophia appears to have moved on from the DMW label boss. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any update from this channel. This comes as Sophia Momodu trended over a video that recently emerged on the social media space. The video showed a lady, allegedly Sophia Momodu, and an Oyinbo man as they went yacht shopping in Monaco. A clip showed Sophia inspecting the yacht alongside an Oyinbo man whom netizens claimed was her new lover.